The harmony of hearts. Once upon a time in a vibrant town, there lived people of different colors and backgrounds. Each person had their unique qualities, but one day, a small disagreement arose among them. John confidently stated, "My way is the best." Sarah countered, "No, my way is better." Alex joined in, "You're both wrong, my way is the way to go." The townsfolk found themselves in a spirited debate. During this lively discussion, a wise elder named Harmony decided to intervene. Harmony, with a calm demeanor, explained that by appreciating each other's strengths and working together, they could create a more harmonious and beautiful community. John, Sarah, and Alex decided to give it a try. They combined their ideas and talents, realizing that diversity brought a richness that none of them possessed alone. The people in the town discovered that by embracing each other's differences, they could create a more vibrant and joyful community. As time passed, the town faced a new challenge. A group of troublemakers threatened the harmony of the community, aiming to spread discord among the townsfolk. The people, remembering the lesson of unity, came together to devise a plan. John's courage, Sarah's creativity, and Alex's intelligence were combined to form a powerful alliance. The troublemakers were confronted with kindness and understanding, transforming them into valued members of the community. The town, once threatened by discord, now flourished with unity and cooperation. The lesson of working together, appreciating differences, and finding common ground prevailed. And so, within the heart of the vibrant town, the beauty created by the collaboration of diverse individuals continued to thrive. The people learned that by embracing each other's unique qualities, they could overcome any challenge and make their community more colorful and joyful.